Hello and welcome. Today we are showcasing the Cozivolife Standing Coat Rack made from solid beech wood for exceptional sturdiness and style. This freestanding rack features a unique tree-shaped design with 9 hooks and 3 adjustable height options to fit both children and adults. It's perfect for hanging coats, hats, scarves, bags, and even umbrellas, helping you save space while keeping things organized. The polished wooden branches have a smooth finish that protects your clothes from damage. Assembly is quick and easy with no tools required, and the thickened base provides excellent stability. Ideal for bedrooms, offices, or entryways, this coat rack blends functionality with modern aesthetics beautifully. Keep your space tidy and stylish with this versatile wooden coat rack today. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.